In this video, I'm going to be showing you the world's greatest stretch. So if you're somebody that doesn't like to stretch at all, this is going to be that one stretch you should be doing if you want to improve your mobility. So I'll show you that in a step-by-step demonstration here today. So get yourself some space around you. Let's try to do that with me here. First, you're going to take your left leg, go into a front lunge. Left leg into a front lunge. Making sure that back leg is still straight into that hip extension. So in here, you're gonna feel that stretch in the front of your leg, so your hip flexor. Now you're gonna bring both arms just down, right beside your front foot. Make sure your front foot is planted with the ball of the big toe, little toe, and the heel. Okay, now we're going to go into that thoracic rotation part. You're gonna bring your right arm just behind your front leg, and reach as far as you can while keeping the back leg still straight. You're gonna hold it for 5 seconds. Now we're gonna reach up top, rotate up, and again, you're gonna hold that for 5 seconds. Make sure you're keeping that back leg extended here. Next, you're gonna bring your hand back down. Now we're gonna go into that hamstring stretch for the front leg here. You're gonna drop your knee. Now you're gonna point your toes towards the ceiling here, and you're just gonna sit back onto your heel. You're gonna try to straighten that front leg as much as you can, and you're gonna hold that for 5 seconds again. So that's the end of the front leg. Now we're just gonna come back up, making sure your core is tight, and step forward. Okay, so that was that one side done. So now we're gonna repeat that so you can do that with the other side. So let's go over that again. First, front leg, step forward. Step forward into that front lunge, hands on the side. Making sure that back leg is still extended here, and don't drop that. You're gonna use your left hand, go underneath, rotate. Reach as far as you can for 5 seconds, hold. And you're gonna go rotate up. 5-second hold. Come back down. Keep that back leg still straight. You're gonna drop your knee now and go into that hamstring stretch. Pull your toes towards you if you can for more of that stretch. Try to straighten that knee out as much as you can. Hold that for 5 seconds. And core is tight. You're gonna step back up. So that was the world's greatest stretch. We are stretching our glutes, we're stretching our hip flexors, we're going into that thoracic rotation to work a little bit of that upper back mobility, which is very important for posture. And if you're trying to do a quick little warm-up before your workout, this is a great little exercise you can do just to warm up your body and get your blood flow moving. I'm not somebody that likes to stretch a lot, so this is gonna be a quick little simple drill you can do before your workouts that are going to give you the greatest bang for your buck. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always just comment down below. If you learned anything new today, or if you're gonna be trying this exercise at all, please give this video a like. And if you want more videos from me in the future, feel free to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.
And cut.